Good morning everyone. Again we are on the part lesson 8 cell structure and functions, and yesterday I think you all have seen we were discussing about cell organelles, means जो सेल में पार्ट्स फंक्शन करते हैं. We have discussed these parts yesterday: mitochondria, Golgi apparatus and lysosomes. Mitochondria, as we all know, it is known as the powerhouse of the cell. ये एक सेल का क्या है? पावर हाउस. पावर हाउस मीन्स जिससे सेल को इसकी एक्टिविटीज़ करने के लिए एनर्जी मिलती है, एंड दैट एनर्जी विल बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ATP. एंड व्हाट इज ATP? ATP इज द एडिनोसिन ट्राइफॉस्फेट. ओके, दैट एनर्जी विल बी गिवन बाय the mitochondria in the form of ATP. And what is ATP? It is the energy currency of the cell. ATP is the energy currency of the cell. Okay? और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया जहाँ पे वर्क की नीड ज़्यादा है, एनर्जी नीड ज़्यादा है, it will be there more in comparatively other cells. Like in the muscle cells, because of the muscle cells we are able to move, so energy requirement is more here. Energy requirement is more in the muscle cells, so energy will be given to the more in by the mitochondria in the muscle cells. Okay, second one is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is that part which is the function of the Golgi apparatus is that जो भी सेल में प्रोडक्ट्स की फॉर्मेशन हुई है, जो भी सेल में नई चीज़ें बनी हैं, उनको स्टोर करना, मॉडिफाई करना. ओके, दैट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ द Golgi apparatus. It was given by the Camillo Golgi. Camillo Golgi. It is a just group of flattened stacks which are parallel to each other. Which are parallel to each other means क्या है? ये एक सेल्स का ग्रुप है. पैरेलल टू ईच अदर विच आर. अब जो भी सेल में प्रोडक्ट्स की फॉर्मेशन हुई है उनको स्टोर करना और मॉडिफाई करना, दैट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ द Golgi apparatus. Okay, it is also involved in the formation of the lysosomes. Golgi apparatus और क्या करता है? फॉर्मेशन ऑफ lysosomes. और जो भी सेल्स हैं, लाइक कॉम्प्लेक्स शुगर इज देयर, जो चीज़ हम आसानी से ब्रेक ना कर सके, दैट इज कॉम्प्लेक्स. मीन्स चेंज करना कॉम्प्लेक्स शुगर को सिंपल शुगर में, टू चेंज द कॉम्प्लेक्स शुगर इनटू simple sugar. This is the function of Golgi apparatus. Now next part is lysosomes. Lysosomes, if there are many activities in the cell, and because of these activities there is the production of waste materials. Production of waste materials in the cells. Okay, if there is the waste production in the cells, that is to be clean also. अगर जो waste product produce हुआ वो सेल के अंदर ही रहेगा, it will create disturbance in the cells activities. Okay, that is why it is to be removed from the cell. जो waste material है, it is very important to remove it from the cells for the proper functioning of cell. That is why the lysosomes are also called as waste disposal system of the cell. Waste disposal system of the cell. It is also known as cell cleaner, because अगर waste को dispose किया तो it means it is just cleaning the cell. That is why also known as cell cleaner. One more name is there of lysosomes, suicidal bags. suicidal bags, they are known as because of any disturbance in the cell, जो enzymes इसमें बने, किसमें, lysosomes में, they will digest their own cells, digest their own cells. If they will digest their own cells, that is why they are known as suicidal bags. Okay, one enzyme is there in lysosomes, that is hydrolytic enzyme. Hydrolytic enzyme. In this hydrolytic, it is formed by the combination of two words. Hydro means water, lytic means breakdown, means it will break down the substances in the presence of water. That is why it digests their own cells. तो water ने क्या किया, cells को break down किया, and it will digest their own cells. That is why also known as suicidal bags. Now the fourth one is endoplasmic reticulum here. If we will discuss about endoplasmic reticulum, also called as ER, it is a long network of membrane bound tubes. membrane bound tubes का एक long network है. इसका mainly function क्या है? Function of endoplasmic reticulum is to passage of the substances. It is required for the transportation of materials, passage of substances from nucleus and cytoplasm and between nucleus to other components. Nucleus to other components. Now endoplasmic reticulum, it is of two types. If we will discuss about the types of endoplasmic reticulum here, two types are there. These two types are SER and RER. Okay, SER here stands for the ER for endoplasmic reticulum and S for smooth, and R stands for rough. So these are known as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum and known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Why the names are there smooth and rough? Because in rough endoplasmic reticulum, at the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are present. एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम में रफ के सरफेस पे राइबोसोम्स प्रेजेंट हैं इन दिस वे ऑन द सरफेस, and in smooth there is no presence of ribosomes, and these structures which are present on the surface, these are known as ribosomes. That is why they are known as rough endoplasmic reticulum, and these are smooth in nature. That is why they are known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now जो RER है उसमें जो राइबोसोम्स की फॉर्मेशन है, they will produce the formation of the protein synthesis. So if I'll ask question here, ribosomes are the sites of dash. Ribosomes are the sites of the protein synthesis, and here will be the production of, in smooth, lipids and fats. In smooth endoplasmic reticulum there is a production of lipids and fats, and when these lipids, fats and protein, they will make the build the cell wall. If they will build the cell wall, this process is known as membrane biogenesis. This process known as membrane biogenesis. Okay, now they are having their separate functions. It will join the function of lysosomes. Okay, and SER, it mainly involve in the detoxification of the cells. Detoxification means, D means removal, toxification means toxic substances. SER mainly helps in the removal of toxic substances mainly from the liver cells, mainly from the liver cells। तो जो हमारे लीवर की सेल्स हैं उनमें जो टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंस है उनको रिमूव करने में SER हेल्प करता है। सो इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट द एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम। So I request you all to go through these ones and watch the video carefully. Thank you.